It's time to make a sound on your mouthpiece and record it. So it's assignment F if you're in symphonic band, or assignment D if you are in advanced band. You click on sound on mouthpiece assignment, and then you scroll down, you put your name, put your ID number, whatever that is, put your email. Then there's a quick note. It says have fun. It's okay if you're having trouble or if you can't make a sound at all. Keep trying, and remember that you can always reach out to your teachers for help. Keep trying, don't puff your cheeks, use air, and don't give up. Then you click down here to vocaroo.com. Click right here. It takes you to the website. There's a recording button, and you're going to record yourself holding a tone on the mouthpiece for 4 beats. It could be a quick 4 beats or a slow 4 beats. Just make a sound and record it. That's all you have to do. So I'm going to demonstrate on my trumpet mouthpiece. I'm going to click record and make a sound. And then I click stop. I finish the recording. It's that fast. I click save and share. It creates a link for the recording, and I could either copy it like this or press this little button here. It copies it for me, copies the link. Then I go back to the assignment and I paste my link right in the end and I submit. Boom. And then I've completed the assignment, right? So that is assignment number F for symphonic bands, assignment number D for advanced band. Have fun, make that tone, keep practicing.